what's up guys? I'm Turbo John. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I want to show y'all some video. This is all under the car video. There's only like 5 or 6 passes on here. Some of them are on slicks and some of them are on Randy's car with radials. I just wanted to show you the back of the car, what it looks like. The GoPro was hanging under the bottom of the car looking forward, and the tire shake, you can see the squat with the slicks, you can see everything under the car, the 10 soldiers rear end, the QA1 shocks, the Scarlett Solutions sensor. You can watch what the rear end is doing. It's actually pretty cool. So the first few passes were on slicks. You'll see the car squat. Anti-squat is below 100%. And the last couple passes on Randy's car, so on radials, the anti-squat is above 100%, and you'll see it actually separate. Check it out, guys. Let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Comment, like, and subscribe. That is some pretty cool shots. It's amazing watching the rear end, watching it work, watching it squat, watching it separate. And there was one of those that looked like it didn't have hardly any anti-squat or separation. It's kind of neutral. Appreciate it, guys.